Okay. Hey, Mike. My name is Craig Waldrop, COO for VideoNet Holding Corp. And I'm going to do a quick show and tell here on the document signing feature that's in provideomeeting.com. You're going to notice I'm in the session right now, but I'm recording outside of it so you can see the entire experience from a host perspective, as well as kind of what the signers will see. So let's get started. I'm going to go here to the left side and launch our signing app. It's going to be called Instasign. And I'm prompted to choose a file. I can upload any type of file I'd like, Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint, anything you want. So I'm going to select myself a document that I already have pre-created. It uploads it to the server, converts it into a signable document, PDF. And you can see on the right side I now have tools specifically for this document. So I choose my signers. Right now I'm the only person in the call, but if I wanted to add more people, if they're in attendance, I would click on add signers. Okay. If it's just me and I want to sign the document, click on a field, drag it to the place I want signed, and then I can start the signing process, or I can keep adding more things. For this document, I'm just going to sign it, and then I'll show you the other tools. So when I start signing, I'm first prompted to accept the terms and conditions. There's quite a bit here. I can send you the original copy when I email you this video. And then I have to check this box to accept the terms. The next step is ID verification. So I'm going to confirm myself by sending myself either a text code via SMS or with a snapshot. Snapshot takes a picture of your video. So it shows that I'm in front of my PC at the time of doing this, in consenting to signing this document. So I'm going to just say hello, right? There we go. Now I confirm that that's a good shot, and now I can go next. This is where I can apply my signature. I can upload my own, I can draw my own, or I can use the default. If I use the default, I click on place, and there's my signature. I can resize it however I want. I can go back and edit it if I wanted to change it, but when I'm ready, I click on the checkbox to accept. So on the left side, I have signing history as well. So as the owner of the document, I can click the drop down and see I have one signature assigned to me. Throughout the whole signing session, if there's more than one person, you're going to see more than one with other signs that were placed. So it could be the date, time, date, initials, name, or text. So I'm going to continue. This time I'm going to do initials. Let's move that over here. Okay. Let's do a date. I'll move that down here. Of course, it's not in the right place, but I'll do it anyways. Name. Put a name here, sure. And a text, so you can see the text and how that works. Click Start Signing, and now I already verified myself, so I don't have to do it again during the session. So now I start with one of four that I've been asked to do. Starts text message. I think the text is first. Accept that. Number 2 is placing a printed name. So this is my name. I can accept. Resize it. Next is my initials. Same thing. Upload, draw, or use default. There's my initial. And then the date. Today's date is October 6, 2021. Resize that here, and done. So again, I can keep placing, keep requesting. I can change pages if there's more than one down at the bottom right. I can also zoom into the document as I need to, or zoom out. And when I'm done, I click Finish. When I finish, I can send the copy of each of the documents to me. There are 2 documents received. One is the summary that shows the screenshot I took of myself, as well as when and where I signed on the document. I get another document, which is the actual signed document itself. And this will either email it to me as an attachment as soon as I click Finish, or I can tell it not to send it to me. I'll tell it to go ahead and send it to me. Once the document is finalized, you can see I can now download the signed document, which is called Document. Or I can also download the summary. I'm going to download both so I can show you what they look like. Or I can also, at the end, I can send a copy of the signed document to somebody who is within this or somebody who needs it outside of this meeting. So once the document is signed, I can send those files to somebody. Let's launch first the signed document. Oh, sorry, summary. There's my picture, right? Name, date, time stamped, when it was taken, and also the IP address of the PC I was connecting from or device. Second page is the actual signatures. What type, what page it was done on, the date and time. So that's my summary document. The next one is the signed document itself. So everything that was done is now appended to the document that I wanted to have signed. And that's it. So document signing, if I close the document, I can continue to upload another one and do some more. Okay, and lastly is retrieving the documents once the documents are signed. So I'm going to open a new tab, go back into my profile, and from the dashboard I have a document section. Under documents, here's all of my documents I've ever signed. They're online and stored for up to 90 days. Once the 90 days is up, the documents are purged and deleted from ProVia meeting systems. But you can see here today's document was only signed by myself. This is the name of the document. Here's the original I can download, the signed document, and the summary. So I have access to all of these files at any time within the 90-day span. And I can go back as far as 90 days before. So as an example, if I click on the signed document, here's that PDF I just signed.